So here's where I stayed last night at Port Macquarie on the break wall. Just pulled the mattress out and the sleeping bag and a few things. Good little spot. Everything's going good. So just an update this morning, just going to have a look around Port Macquarie, head down the coast and see if we can check out a few sites and make our way home. But it says 4.5 hours drive this morning, so maybe do a couple of hours, pull over, have a good look around for an hour or two and do the other 2 after lunch and get home. But good little spot. Couldn't see much last night, it was pretty dark, but it was good. Went and got myself some dinner, a nasi goreng, fried rice dish, and a couple of beers. Just sat back and enjoyed the music, put the radio on and ate my dinner, 1 or 2 beers, jumped in the tent and off to bed. Stayed warm. I got the down mattress and the down sleeping bag, so I stayed really warm. Yeah, really enjoyed this one as well. Yesterday was a cracker day though at the falls and Walker, all them places. That was good fun. So I'm going to go for a little walk, pack up, go for a walk, keep travelling, and I'll bring you along the way. The bike's all packed up now. I've just brushed my teeth. Gonna go for a little walk and show you a little bit of Port Macquarie. Let's go. Here we are, just above the campsite. That's where I camped last night. Just down there. Gonna get some nice drone footage this morning. Hope you enjoy the scenery. Beautiful day, absolute cracker. Let's get the drone up. What a spot, eh? Absolutely awesome. You. Look at this spot this morning. Paradise. Unreal. Hey everybody, really enjoying myself. Feels good to be out in the sun. Absolutely awesome spot, Port Macquarie. Absolutely beautiful. There's the bike in the distance. Loving it. Back on the bike now. Good little walk along the beach. Climbed on the rocks. Had some good fun. Watched the surfers. Let's keep moving. See what else we can see. Got the boat there. This bit's a bit rocky. Let's keep going. So I've just come to the lighthouse, guys. More unbelievable scenery. So much to see and do here. Give you a little quick look at the lighthouse, and then I'm gonna get on the highway and get back. Might do a few stops on the way back, we'll see what happens. But just got some epic footage of the lighthouse at Port Macquarie, so hope you enjoy it. So here's the lighthouse.
Yeah, chuck it to your starboard a fraction. If you go 1 o'clock, these whales are moving. No, I think they're going north.
The whale watching around here. There's a bike over there. The whales are moving, so can't get the whales, but unreal part of the country. Unreal. Here's the lighthouse. Here we are on the way home. Just stopped in at Raven Terrace at Guzman and Gomez. This is what I got. Mexican Coke, couple of tacos, some fries, some smoky chipotle sauce. I'm going to sign off here, guys. It's been a long day on the road and I'm going to head home. Talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.